This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Wednesday, June 19th of 2013. And we're still looking for several possible rounds of thunderstorms for all of northern Michigan starting Thursday night and continuing right on into the early parts and possibly middle parts of next work week. The impacts of these thunderstorms are still yet to be determined. But as of right now, things are extremely quiet across the Great Lakes with high pressure firmly in control. The main frontal boundary is well to our south and also extending back into the heart of the country. The nearest precipitation is in far western Kentucky and the Central Plains. But we will be watching that high pressure move off to the east with a slowly sinking frontal boundary out of Ontario into Lake Superior. And we do have some small chances for rain showers late tonight across the Paradise area. No thunder is expected, and that small rain chance continues in here through Thursday night. But we will be looking for a pattern change and things to get a little bit more active as a piece of low pressure moves into the western Great Lakes region with a frontal boundary definitely across Michigan. And this particular pattern is going to hold as we go into the early to middle parts of next work week, with several periods of low pressure kind of moving through the area and across this frontal zone. And this will be the pattern that's going to generate the potential several rounds of thunderstorms across the Great Lakes. And we can kind of see that here in the 7-day precipitation forecast that goes today all the way through next Wednesday, with pretty decent amounts of rainfall expected across much of the Great Lakes region and back across the northern tier of the country. And we can see that things are going to get a little bit more active as we get into day 3 here. This is Friday and Friday night, and we see slight chances for some severe thunderstorms that extend into a large chunk of Wisconsin. So the active weather is certainly working its way towards our neck of the woods. And warmer weather is going to begin to return today as we see temperatures work a little bit warmer than yesterday, more into the 70s across most of the area with brilliant sunshine outside. But we do have that increasing shower and thunderstorm chance as we head into the weekend and the early parts of next work week. And that is the only hazards to wrap up again today, the several rounds of thunderstorms that are possible. And this is beginning Thursday night and continuing all the way through Tuesday. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.